sausage and rice and nuggets. I'm arriving.
Gee willikers, this is the place Judy told me about. They didn't even ask for ID here, so just play it cool.
Right you are, my good man. Initiating cool. Hey, this guy needs to shave real bad.
Yeah.
Hey!
Huh?
We don't appreciate your kind around here.
What?
No gay robots. Understand?
Oh dear.
Sorry, dude, you heard the man. You gotta go.
I say.
Hey, give me a drink.
Okay.
Cheers.
Why go to swamp donkey the socket before I get a tonkin in the tradesman's entrance and have a lick me yabble?
And my wife, she's dead. High five.
Huh?
You even like me?
Scroat McGee doesn't like you.
Fine.
I don't like you either, little man. I'm the kingpin around here. You're the second banana.
Yeah, well, you got pig nose.
What did you say?
I suggest you unhand him now, or I'll lay the smack down on you. Oh no, he did it! Holy crap, he cut his hand off.
Let's roll.
What happened?
Oh, you had to see that, my boy. What? You thought this old man couldn't throw hands? Kicked in my ass.
Oh, R2. Do you hear the music? What a delightful feeling.
So, Mr. Toddkill, I'm thinking about 100% for this assignment. Chewie thinks so too, as a matter of fact. Do it.